Today I made a peanut butter pie, and I'm a big fan of using whatever you have on hand, so I did use a pie crust I pulled out of the freezer and baked it, but I do have to admit that this would have been better with a graham cracker crust. So that being said, here's what you need for the pie filling. 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, or you could use crunchy peanut butter if you prefer, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and about a cup and a half of whipped topping thawed. Also, it's optional, but it does taste better if you add a teaspoon of vanilla to the peanut butter and cream cheese filling mixture. So start by mixing the cream cheese and the peanut butter until well blended. And if you're going to use vanilla, put that in there as well. After you have that well mixed, then add in the powdered sugar. And again, make sure that's very well blended. And then you're going to add in your 1.5 cups of whipped topping and combine all of that. If you're using a regular pie shell that you baked, then you need to let that cool first and then pour this or spoon it into the crust and spread that evenly. If you're using a graham cracker crust or other, then you can just put your filling in there immediately. And then spread the remaining whipped topping over the top. Then sprinkle the peanut butter crumble over top of the whipped cream, and to make that you just need 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Mix it until it becomes a crumbly mixture and then just sprinkle that on top. If you like, you could drizzle some chocolate syrup over the top of this, or if you have some peanut butter cups, you could freeze a couple of those so that they cut up finely, and then sprinkle those over the top of this peanut butter pie as well. Either way, it's very good. Chill this pie in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. You want to make sure it sets up well, and then it will cut very nicely for you. So give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoy. And thanks so much for watching. See you next time.